Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher, with the giveaway winners. A few weeks ago, my friend Denny from Squeeze and Thanks was going to give away 10 of these awesome learning resources, these Learn the Accordion charts. I was going to sponsor 5 of these as well, and we have 5 winners. Denny ran a random comment finder over on my video, and we have 5 winners. Does that make sense? Yeah, 5 winners. If your name is on this list, you're a winner. You get one of these charts, which are wonderful. Send me an email, ronan@accordionlove.com, with your address, and I'll send you the chart. I'll also link to another video where Denny discusses how to use this learning resource. If you're interested in buying a chart, I'll link to Denny's website as well. Lots of links. Yeah, but just a video congratulating you. Awesome. Thank you for everyone that entered. You seem to be excited about getting resources, so I think we'll run some more giveaways in 2021. Congratulations. Have a happy 2021. I hope you're well. See you in the new year. Bye-bye.